और यूट्यूब चैनल दोस्तों, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टेल यू अबाउट हॉनेस्टी इज़ द बेस्ट पॉलिसी। इस पे दोस्तों ऐसे बता रहे हैं हम आपको। तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। हॉनेस्टी इज़ द बेस्ट पॉलिसी। इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू हैव हॉनेस्टी इन लाइफ बिकॉज हॉनेस्टी इज़ द बेस्ट पॉलिसी where an honest person can sleep peacefully. The same dishonest person cannot even imagine this. The word honesty itself comes from the word iman, which means that the one who has faith has lost everything. Therefore, it is the first duty of every human being to live life with honesty. Being honest sometimes gets you into trouble, but ultimately it always leads you to the best. It builds your relationship with others on trust and rewards you with honesty and respect, while the path of dishonesty is like a trap. You can achieve long-term success greatness only by following the path of honesty. In the end, honesty gives you satisfaction and peace of mind. Honesty is actually a branch of the rights and virtues of a higher character. This is such a unique art. After learning that, a person can easily touch the extreme limit of his goal. Honesty is a sign of humanity. By speaking the truth and walking on the path of truth, one may face many thorns in the way, but after that, victory is also glorious, which is for the whole life. Those who resort to dishonesty will get success, but it is not long term. Everyone like an honest person. Such people who never deviate from the path of truth, they deserve respect and respect in every corner of the society. Man should work honestly in his life. Keeping honesty in life leads to success. Honesty acts as a catalyst in strengthening our will power to face and fight against any obstacles in life. तो दोस्तों ये था ऑनेस्टी इज़ द बेस्ट पॉलिसी पे